Hey guys, it's me, Keisha B. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Bistro. Yes, I have given my channel a new name, but don't fret, you can still find me here under Keisha B. So if you're looking for me, just type Keisha B. In today's video, I'm making chicken taquitos. We're going to get right into it because it's very simple to do. Okay, so here we have my chicken breast that I got from my local supermarket. You can buy chicken tenders too, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be adding the chicken breast to a glass baking dish that has a lid. In it, I'm also going to add some enchilada green sauce, some diced green chilies, granulated garlic seasoning, as well as granulated onion seasoning, and a really good Mexican blend that I found in the bulk section at my supermarket as well. And what's a taquito without guacamole? You need cilantro, onion, also some tomato, and the star of the show, which is avocado. And I've been told that I make really good guacamole. And whoever said that is correct. Anyway, I'm just seasoning up my chicken with the Mexican blend seasoning as well as the other seasonings. You can season it with whatever you actually want to season it with. You don't have to use those particular seasonings. I just said seasoning like 1,000 times. I'm also going to add some onion and garlic to the baking dish as aromatics to give it more flavor. So I'm just going to chop up the garlic and put that right in the dish as well. And then I forgot to put the diced green chilies in there. Is it too late? It's not too late. You want to put some in there? Yeah, I do. I do. Okay, so let's just put some in there. Now moving on to the guacamole. This is a gorgeous avocado. Let me tell you something. If she know how to pick a good avocado, she's a keeper. Okay? And just as a refresher, your standard guacamole is avocado, of course, sometimes tomato, onion, cilantro, a little bit of lime juice, just a little bit to keep your guacamole from oxidizing, meaning turning brown, because you want it to keep that very vibrant green color. Those are my frozen peppers. I always keep my peppers in the freezer because I like to use my microplane to grate the jalapeno into my guacamole. You don't have to add jalapenos to your guacamole, but I don't think anybody wants to bite into a chunk of jalapenos, so I'd like to do it this way. That way it's minced. You don't really taste the jalapeno, the flesh of the jalapeno itself, but you definitely get the heat from the pepper. So this is the way that I like to do it. And it also keeps your peppers fresh and longer in the freezer. There you go. Nice little tip. So now that our chicken is done, I'm going to go ahead and shred it. You know, I want to say that I've seen people use a hand mixer to shred their chicken, which I think is a very genius idea. As you can see, I started using forks, but I had to just switch over to use my hands. The best tools in the kitchen. Also, with me just using my hand, it basically ensures that the chicken pieces will kind of be like the same size. That way you're not getting like shredded chicken, but you're actually getting chicken pieces, but not too big and not too small. I'm going to strain this sauce that the chicken was baking in. I'm going to get the peppers and the garlic that I put into the dish, and I'm just going to add that right back to the shredded chicken. And lastly, I'm going to add some Kobe and Monterey Jack shredded cheese. Not too much. I don't want to add so much that it's oozing out of the taquitos when I'm frying them, but also just enough to where it kind of acts as a binder. So it just brings all of the flavors together. I added a few tablespoons of vegetable oil to my frying pan. I only cook my shells on one side. Now also keep in mind the quality of your corn shells and the length of cook time can determine whether you have a pliable shell or not. If the shell is too soft, it will tear while you are rolling your chicken taquitos. And if you cook it too long and your temperature of the grease is too high, it'll get too hard. So make sure you keep an eye on it. And now it is time to fry my taquitos. I'm adding about a cup and a half, maybe just a little under a cup and a half of vegetable oil to my pan. I am making sure that that oil is hot. You're not going to cook these. All you want to do is make sure that the corn shell gets hard. I'm placing them seam side down, and I made sure that the toothpick was parallel to the seam. So when you're done, they should be nice and crispy. And once you take the toothpick out, the taquito should be secure. And let me also say this, because unfortunately there's always one or maybe even two or three. Make sure you remove all of those toothpicks. Okay, I know the last thing you will want is to miss out on this good food you done put all this hard work into, because your ass at the hospital because you done bit into a damn toothpick. Okay, be safe out there. Take your time. And here you have it. We have arrived at the end of the cook's tour with our homemade chicken taquitos. Don't that plate look like it might be out of an authentic Mexican restaurant? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let me pat myself on the back. Got the fresh guacamole, fresh Pico De Gallo, and let me let you know something. That's not sour cream. That's plain Greek yogurt. But you don't have to say nothing because it tastes the same. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you will come back to my channel for more upcoming recipes. I'm going to also be sneaking in some renovation videos, so stay tuned for that. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. That way you know when I have new videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, be well, take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.